So Instagram, Facebook, we're live right now to do the winner call for RM18. I should figure out which side these are on. This 68 Camaro that you guys probably all been waiting for 3 months. As you know, at RestoMods.com, we do a new sweepstakes every 3 months. This is our 18th one. We've been going since 2017. Pretty incredible to say. And couldn't do without all you guys, so thank you for all your support. While we're here to announce the winner of RM18 at RestoMods.com, as we all know, the end of one sweepstakes means the beginning of another. So RM19 is now live, this 1971 Dodge Challenger, just over here to my right, your left. We give away cars every 3 months at RestoMods.com. Super easy to get entered to win. You just go to RestoMods.com, you pick up any merch, hat, shirt, car care products, car parts, anything you might buy anyways. If you buy it from us, you get a chance to win a car and $20,000 in cash. Or join the Car Club membership, easiest way to not miss a sweepstakes. You're gonna get entries every single month, along with all the other fabulous Car Club benefits, which we are adding to every day. Are we ready? Okay, here we go.
Welcome to the US Cellular voicemail.
I feel like spam callers kind of ruined this for us, the robocallers. I never answer my phone if it's an unknown number. Guys, we're calling from an 858 phone number. Pick up your phone. We're gonna try calling again. Oh, we got voicemail again. All right, let's try it one more time. Did I get a response to my text? No. Let's see. All right, last time on the live.
Hello, this is Sam.
Hey, Sam. How's it going? This is Chris from RestoMods.com.
Hey, Chris, how are you?
I'm good, man. How are you? I was a little worried you weren't taking my call.
I didn't recognize the area code.
Yeah, these phone spammers have kind of ruined this for us, but
Yeah, they're trying to sell me extended warranties on everything, you know?
I was actually trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. I'm just kidding. Please don't hang up, please. I'm just kidding. No, man, I'm calling you actually because I looked up your account and I noticed that you signed up back in 2020.
Yep.
It looks like you were trying to win that 69 Charger we gave away.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that beautiful black Charger. That thing was a heck of a car. Well, sorry you weren't the winner of that one, but you have been a member since then. Are you aware that your membership gets you entries every month?
I am. I've got a pile of t-shirts from you guys.
A pile of t-shirts. Well, hopefully they're not in a pile. Hopefully you wear them.
No, I wore the hell out of them.
Awesome. Awesome. I'm a little bit hurt you don't still open our emails, though. I saw your record. You haven't opened an email in over 3 months. That's
business, guy.
No, I hear you. I'm actually just messing with you a little bit, trying to build some suspense because I'm actually calling you because you're the winner of RM18. You just won a 1968 Camaro and $20,000 in cash. Sorry, I didn't hear anything.
You're messing with me, right?
I'm not. We're actually streaming this live on the internet right now. I hope that's cool with you.
Oh, man. Are you serious?
I'm 100% serious, man. You can go check out any of our social medias and our YouTube, and I actually need you to say that you're okay with that.
Oh, I am absolutely okay with that. I feel like I'm gonna puke. Hold on, I gotta sit up a second.
Take a moment, man. Take it all in.
I can't believe you're serious. Are you sure? Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm totally serious, Sam. Have you seen the car we're giving away?
I saw a picture of it the other day.
The red 68 Camaro with the white stripes?
Yes, that's it.
That's the car, man. That's your car.
I'm freaking out right now, man. I don't know what to say.
I'd be freaking out too. Just soak it all in, man. What are you doing right now?
Well, I just got home from work and just getting ready to take the kids to a little birthday party, but now I'm getting online and feel like oh my god.
Give it the double check. We're streaming live, but don't turn up the volume because, yeah. And with the car, you also win $20,000 in cash.
You have no idea what that means, man. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I'm shaking so hard.
I'm shaking a little bit for you, man. It's exciting.
I don't know. Oh my god. what do I do?
All right, I'm gonna give you a little bit because we are streaming this call live. So I'm gonna actually give you a little bit to soak on this. I'm gonna do an email intro with our sweepstakes company. All you have to do is sign some paperwork and officially accept the prize. I'm not gonna ask you for anything. Then what we'd like to do, if you're up for it, is fly you out here to San Diego. You and one other person, whoever you wanna share a hotel room with, out here to San Diego for a couple days, hang out with us, enjoy your prize, and then you can do with it what you want. I know you live in Maine, so it's a little bit of a drive from San Diego, but
Oh my God.
but then we'll fly you home and then we'll ship you the car.
Are you serious?
100% serious, man. I hope your calendar is flexible.
I wish I had something like clever and crazy to say, but I'm blown away, man. You have no idea what this is good.
That's awesome, man.
Oh my God, I look at cars like that and just like someday, and like that, I can't believe it.
Today is your someday, Sam.
Jesus, man, that's so cool. I'm expanding, trying to figure out how to pay for a small expansion of my business, and you're telling me that I've won money on top of that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you.
You are welcome, man. Thank you for your support. And I'm gonna let you kind of marinate on this for a little bit. Like I said, I'm gonna connect you on email with the rep from our sweepstakes company, and then I'm gonna call you back and go over some more of the details, but that's essentially it. Once you get the paperwork from our sweepstakes company, officially accept that, we'll start the process of getting you out here to claim your prize.
Okay. Thank you. Jesus, I'm so excited. I didn't.
Awesome. Hey, Sam.
Speechless, man. I'm speechless.
Let me ask you this. Do you have any words for all the people that are watching this live stream right now? Anything you want to share with them?
Dreams do come true, and stay with it, I guess, man. Just keep on trucking. I can't wait to, prove that it's real.
Well, it'll take some time to sink in. We've talked to other winners, and it becomes real. Like, as they're getting on the plane, they're coming out here, and then they open the door and see their car. It's when it really becomes real. You're holding that 20 grand in your hand. That's when it becomes real.
I can't believe this. I'm oh my God, I'm dancing, man.
Awesome, Sam. Well, all right. Well, hey, go share the good news with your family. I'm going to shoot you over this email, and I'll let you go, and then I'll call you back here in a little bit.
All right, thank you so much. I look forward to hearing from you.
Congratulations again, Sam.
Thank you.
Okay, so just hung up with the winner of RM18, this 1968 Camaro, and $20,000 in cash. That winner is Sam Wood from Hampden, Maine. So congratulations to you, Sam, on being our 18th winner and taking home this 1968 Camaro and $20,000 in cash. Thank you to everybody else out there, all of our supporters. We could not do this without you. So thank you for your support. And if your name is not Sam Wood, stay tuned because RM19 is live. Right now, this 1971 Dodge Challenger, and you could be the winner of this car and $20,000, and I could be sitting in this chair calling you next time. So go ahead and claim those entries at RestoMods.com. If you're already a member, you're automatically entered in every sweepstakes. That's the best way to not miss an entry. And from now until the end of August, we're offering 4 times entries. So any dollar spent at RestoMods.com is going to get you 4 entries. Pick up a keychain, pick up a pop socket just like this one for $10, and you could get 40 entries to win this 1971 Dodge Challenger and $20,000. And maybe I'll be calling you next. Good luck.